guys, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a couple sets of earrings. I had a sweet lady, Joan, order 3 sets for her and her 2 friends for Christmas. She wanted mostly purple, so I'm going to be testing these on the round 2-inch earrings. She actually wants them done on the teardrop earrings. These are wood. I just wanted to show you, I've done them before with the sticks, which I love, but since the teardrops are a little smaller, I'm like, how am I, this stick might not work on there. So what I'm going to do with these 2 as a test is just tear off a piece of tape or double back tape or both and stick it right there in the middle and like that, and this should hold it. So that way when I tilt I can just hang on down here. Now it's not going to keep my hands as clean as the sticks because it's still going to drip down. But for the teardrop, I don't know, I thought I would try it. Anyway, these are taped on the back with blue tape like this. So after I paint, I can either turn it over and spray paint the back, or I'm not sure what else to do with it, but I'll probably paint those black. So let's get started. I'm going to put some gloves on because I know it's going to get messy, especially with these. When I get done, well, let me tell you the colors I'm using today. This is Artist Loft 24 karat, and it's Deco Art 24 karat with Artist Loft Gold mixed together. This one is Color Shift Green Flash with Amsterdam Olive Green Light. It's a nice shimmer to it. This one is Artist Loft Violet with Primary Elements Snapdragon. Super pretty. I don't think you can get a prettier purple. Artist Loft Light Magenta. And on this I put some, I wanted a little sparkle to that too, so I put some Artist Loft Iridescent Medium in this color. Gives a little twinkle. I'll be back. Sorry, I thought I was taping. Anyway, I'm using Color Place Satin Enamel from Walmart. Right off the shelf, ready to go. I already put that down. Now I put the gold down. Now I'm going to put the green. Sometimes this doesn't get level. So she wanted purple, so I really want this purple to show up. I guess I can get you down a little further here. So I'm going to put more purple than, this is the only pigment color I have. I just didn't think the black cell activator would show up a lot. Sorry, over the purple. Yeah, that's one thing about putting the sticks on and doing this is trying to get it level. You don't glue them on perfect or tape them on perfect, but I think I can deal with it. Okay, I'm using black cell activator. Do this one in a hurry. Go ahead and hold this one a minute. Tilt it back. Cell activator always sinks, so I think that's good enough. Get going on it. Using a straw, a rubber straw. Sticks make it so much easier, if I was on camera, to maneuver. looks like a set. Go ahead and make sure they're level while they're drying over here. Okay, I'm going to switch up the colors on these. Okay, yeah, very slick. Doesn't save on your gloves. I guess I could put the stick on the bottom of the cup. Just another idea. Now I definitely have to wipe off my hands in between. Okay, while we're waiting on that to come up, I wanted to show you a set that I did. There's a video on this set. For example, this has the Brite tone finish on there. Really pretty. It's almost like resin, but so much easier to use. And that's this Brite tone. So look back at my other video and I show how to apply this to earrings. There's a link below if you want to get some yourself. It's not cheap, but a little goes a long way. If you're doing jewelry, you can do cover your paintings on it. You can use it actually in the medium on the Shelee technique. So check it out down below in the description, and check out my prior videos on my earrings, and I show how I apply it. Okay, yes, green. There's still purple there, but the green definitely is the boss on this one. right, here they are all finished off. I used Brite Tone varnish to finish them off. Let's see the shine on there. Hopefully, can you? Yeah. Brite Tone works pretty good for these. And if you're interested, I have a link below. It's this. I coat all my earrings and some paintings with this. Also, you can use it in the Shelee Art Bloom technique as your varnish. It's a little pricey, but thank you so much. This is my 100th video on my channel. I really appreciate all the subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Keep watching. I'm going to keep doing this, and I really like to experiment. So push that like button and comment, and keep on watching. Thank you so much. Bye.